Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a fading transparent effect, gradient effect on Photoshop. Select your photo and you're going to select the mask tool. Then you're going to select this mask tool over here. Actually, you don't need to go to the mask. I don't know why I just pressed that on it. Let me just cancel it real quick. We just need to select this area. Then we need to go to the gradient section here. And oh my god, there's like, okay, I don't need to watch the, okay, I'm just going to select this. Okay, we'll just use that and we're just going to add in the gradient, not this way though, the other way. And you're just going to want to drag it by like a lot until you're satisfied with the gradient that you have. So I'm just going to do that. And then I'm just going to go back to the image, and that's pretty much it. Really, it's that simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!